All right, y'all, just a couple of breakfast sandwiches real quick and simple before we leave the house. Starting off with lubing up the griddle with some of that Bacon Up pure filtered bacon fat, throwing down a diced up jalapeno and surrounding it with 2 bacon strips. Cracking our eggs up in those egg rounds. I got the first 3 burners set on medium for this cook. Last one is off. Dusting those eggs up with some salt and pepper and then hitting the griddle with some Black Forest ham. Those buns are done toasting. You're going to kill that heat. I'm layering the ham on top of the eggs, then going at it with some Swiss cheese. Throwing down a little bit of mustard, because heck, in my head it makes sense. Ham and cheese with a little mustard. Topping it off with that bacon fat and jalapeno. 1 strip of bacon, and bam, we are ready to take on our day. Yeah, funny how sometimes simple is just the easiest, most delicious way to go. Boom. Jalapenos always make everything better. Hey, y'all, click that follow button if you like what I'm doing, because I promise I'll keep cooking if you keep coming back.